Hey guys, it's Corey, Triad Home and Vacuum Center. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Simplicity S65. We've been waiting on this since February when we were at the VDTA show when it was unveiled and debuted to us. So here we go, let's get right into it. Okay, if you'll come in just a little bit so we can see what's in the box. So you've got your owner's manual guide if you wanted to mount the bracket on the wall. We've got a wall bracket and the corresponding screws. We've got the multi-tool, which is a crevice dusting brush upholstery tool. This is a multi-tool for reaching up high and obscure places. Upholstery tool. This is the box for the charger. And here it is. Aluminum wand snap clips. Here is the fluffy head, hard floors, rubber coated wheels, non-marring. Here is the power nozzle for the carpets and rugs. Pivots, non-marring rubber wheels as well. Those are velvet rubber. The battery on these are removable, so if you need multiple batteries for your home, you just keep them charged and pop them in as you go. Unlike any other. Here is the unit. One trigger pull. Tons of power. HEPA filtration. Quick and easy. Quick and easy empty. This is for upholstery, pillows, bedding, pet hair. Mount this right on the end. Here is the charging base that everything mounts to. Charger. All of this is included with this machine right now at $299, which is amazing compared to all the others on the market that come with just the machine and the fluffy head. This one comes with everything that you see here. 2 full-size nozzles, a mini nozzle, multi-tools, charger, removable battery packs. They're a great unit. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing video of the new product in store. We do have a limited quantity available right now. We've sold, pre-sold many of them. If you are interested, please give us a call, 336-252-5329. Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.